I'm an English professor, and this poem talks about how you can't always be fair to papers you grade, at least if you're an English professor, 100%, because it might depend on where they fall in the pile of how many papers you have to grade and how tired you are by the time you get to that paper. And I think it maybe connects to the art fair in that reactions to art are subjective. It depends on when we see the piece of art, what kind of mood we're in, how tired we're in, how energetic we are. So I'll read this to you. It's called End of the Semester Confession. I'm not sure I grade the first papers on the pile the same way I grade the bottom ones. There's the biblical injunction, after all. The first will be last, and the last will be first. And this surely applies to grade point averages because, let's face it, wrong answers start to seem a lot more plausible the more times I read them. I mean, why can't a lot be one word? It's cozier that way. And when I scribble WW over an affect that should be effect, do my freshmen know what that means? And who wants to quibble over the difference between conclusion and explanation when defining Occam's razor? And with the magnetic poles about to flip, who wants to fuss about whether commas go inside end quotes? And with robin's eggs pale and warm as sky, and that one Harrier hawk hovering like heaven's smallest archangel, oh, grace after grace, it piles up in the double space, the abundant double space, line after line after line.